Guys, we got some welds. Stay tuned. Boom! And there they are, guys. My Weld Racing wheels. Oh man, when I tell you I'm super excited, guys. Finally got some welds. I've been dreaming, or not necessarily dreaming, but wanting a set of these for a very long time. And I'm gonna put them in a very special vehicle. Let's check this out, man. So yes sir, finally got me my welds. It's my drag pack. It's 15s out back, 15 by 10s out back, and then 18 by 8s out front. So it's an 18-15 setup. It's gonna be my drag pack, like I said. Sir, we're finally getting serious. Let me show you what I'm working with. Open these up real quick. Of course, you guys saw the time lapse. I kind of set it up. Gotta do this stuff. But oh man, check it out, guys. Weld performance. Let me tell you, when you want performance, durability, style, hit up Weld. Not sponsored. But yes sir, man, let's get a look at these wheels. Take that off. Take that little thing off. Man, I love, oh, check it out, guys. You kind of see them already. I love unpackaging new wheels. It's kind of like an addiction, honestly. I have so many wheels in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's zoom in. Too many wheels. Why am I buying wheels? Don't let the wife find out. But oh man, check it out, guys. Yes sir. Oh man. So yes sir, guys, these wheels are their belt mount, I believe. Like I said, these are 18 by 8s, and I have some 15 by 10s over there. But man, they are looking shiny. Check it out, guys. Super happy with these wheels, man. Oh, the shine though. Oh man, I can't wait to get these wheels mounted. Let me show you the 15s here. Let's see. Open them up. Man, I'm finally gonna have a drag pack. This car's had a drag pack one time. I used to have some I think they were Bogarts. Yeah, some Bogarts, but I never even mounted them. I ended up selling them before I could mount them. And man, I was always bummed out that I sold those wheels. And I finally got my drag pack, guys. Oh man, check it out. Drop a comment and let me know what tires I should go with. I'm still shopping around for tires. I'm in between Mickey Thompson's and Nito's, so I'm not really sure what I'm gonna get. Oh man, guys, check it out. Holy smokes, these are so nice. Oh man, I cannot wait to get these wheels mounted on the vehicle, man. Yes sir. Also, drop a comment if you know which Camaro they're gonna go on. They're gonna go on one of them. I don't know. They might go on the SS. They might go on the C28. Who knows, right? But man, I am super excited, guys. I'm actually on the way to pick up my front tires. I ordered them off of Walmart. Just a cheapy set of front tires. I think they were like 60 bucks a tire. I think they're 245s. Yeah, 245s, 40, 18 for the front. And then on the back, I'm gonna be running 275s, 50, 15. So it's gonna be like a 26-inch tire, nothing too crazy. And yeah, man, I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and throw these in the back of the car and let's go get some tires. All right, guys, we got the new wheels mounted on the tires. Like I said, these tires are just some cheapy, what are they? Lexani tires. So, I mean, they're all season. They're 245, 45 18s. So yes sir, we're gonna be mounting the fronts. In place of that crusty old 17, gonna go to 18s. And the reason why I went to 18s, because eventually I want to do this TTSB 6-piston brake, or actually 4-piston brakes on the front on this car. So they don't really clear with the 17s. You can find some 17s that maybe clear them, but really your best bet to go with 18s. That's why I got 18s, guys. So yes sir, let's get these mounted and then we'll move on to the back. We got the fronts on, they fit like a glove, no rubbing. And look at all my caliper clearance. Let's see if you guys can see. Look at that. I got like maybe 4 inches of clearance on either side, so that's perfect. That's gonna be perfect for the big rotors and the big caliper. So yes sir, wheels look great. They kind of tuck in, so you could run some spacers to make them stick out a little bit. They do kind of tuck in, you guys can see. I like that tuck look. It definitely looks like some skinny up front, so I'm really happy about that. Another thing I forgot to mention, guys, is you're gonna have to get some lug nuts when you run welds. See that? I got these. The reason being is because stock lug nuts are way too big. You see the difference? They're way too big, and what's gonna happen is, let's see if I can show you guys. The lug nut, it has to fit in there, like it sits all the way flush. Let me show you on this one. Let me show you. See, it has to sit all the way in here flush, and since it's so big, you're not gonna be able to put a wrench, or not a wrench, a socket or your cross. See, it doesn't fit, so you're gonna have to buy aftermarket lug nuts. The website I got these wheels from is dragracingwheels.com, and they also sell your lug nuts, so you can buy everything from them. I want to say you can even buy tires from them. Let's see, look at all that space. And then they give you a little socket that goes with them. See that? So you use this socket to put them in and you'll be good to go. Another thing that you gotta keep in mind, guys, is the tires that you buy. Some of them, like these, are directional only, so you gotta make sure you get the right side. These are for the right passenger side. Those are gonna be for the left driver side. See the direction of the thread has gone that way, so these are gonna be for your driver, and them right there are for your passenger. But man, she is looking way better, way better in my opinion, compared to my old American racing wheels. I've had these wheels for a very long time. Excuse the car is dirty. When we're done, we're gonna be taking this car to the car wash. But yes sir, let's go ahead and knock this side out and we'll be good to go. Boom. And just like that, guys, we got both front wheels on. Check it out. Holy, the car is looking great. Yes sir, man, these wheels look great. Guys, the car is looking great. Got the front wheels on. Check it out, man. That's gonna look amazing, not gonna lie. Yes sir. We still don't have the backs. The backs are gonna have to wait because the tires are actually on back order. So once the tires come in, I'm gonna be putting on the backs. But for now, we got the fronts, and I'm super happy on how they turned out, guys. Let me know in the comments how you guys like the wheels. I personally love them. And yes sir, man, I cannot wait to have the rears on. Yes sir. that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and stay tuned for the next episode. Peace out.